Hi, I'm Latanya Tillman. I am the presenter for Group 6, our data meeting number 4. It took place March 10th from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. I'll rose real briefly. Just want to go over that real quick. For time's sake, I want to make sure this is less than 5 minutes. Smart target learning goal for myself. I'm a reading English language arts teacher. The goal we came up with is to develop innovative ways to engage students by utilizing more Web 2.0 tools, making lesson content relatable to students. We also came with other collaborative goals for myself, but that was the main one we want to focus on. But definitely just wanted to have them here available. Okay, and then that one. For Ashley, she is an English as a second language online instructor. Her SMART target learning goal is to develop lesson plans that help students develop useful comprehension skills by making learning meaningful and fun. We also gave her 2 other goals: to research better ways to implement this practice, also using total physical response in order to help students understand the content. Okay? Based on our collaborative goals we've set in our SMART target learning goals, we did come up with data action plan tracking sheet for myself. I will be doing things weekly, once, and quarterly. The only task that I will take place at once is a narrative. Students will be writing a narrative, creating a story from a different character's perspective of a main character in All American Boys, and they will combine the storyline with the sniper. The sniper is the material that they actually scored really low on, at the average 43%. So most of my kids failed, actually all of them. But anyhow, I feel like reintroducing that material and creating it with this material they actually scoring good on because the content is good, it can kind of help me reteach it and get them to make a story based off those 2 stories. The reason why they can do this is because The Sniper is a short story about 3 pages and it has no characters in it. So they can kind of put a twist and make characters from All American Boys go into The Sniper. All American Boys is a novel that's about 310 pages. Anyhow, I believe that out of the artifacts, 44 of these students completed narratives will score over 90%. That's my ideal goal. That's what the 44 here is for. In-class group discussions will take place weekly, and it will have structure with definite roles. Students will have to take notes based on other groups' presentations. So the completed sheets with all the topics covered will be the verifying artifact for that. Reading comprehension quizzes will take place weekly as well. For Ashley, hers will be a lesson plan incorporating Web 2.0 tools. This will be twice a week. It looks like the students will be test about 35 question assessments to check for improvements. She will also do a group assignment. This will help them create a short book pertaining to their keywords in the unit once a week. I like that. Also, they will experience real world experiences by attending a local library, and they will learn how to illustrate a book. And that's going to be a one-time occurrence. Okay. Our protocol rubric, Ashley, for our action plan implementation, she will use a medium-high impact on learning, and it will create moderate engagement for students. The reason why is because she does one-on-one sessions with her students, and the impact on learning will be medium-high. They are doing really good as a class, but they just need to build their comprehension skills. My action plan will have a high impact on learning with high engagement for students using innovative technology. Okay, so it needs a high impact on learning because they have poor literacy skills. The children need to be highly engaged and they need to be using technology. Okay, so that is our rubric. Our resources, I just want to go over them briefly for sake of time. We gave Ashley a list of approved Web 2.0 tools that can help her in her classroom. VoiceThread, which is a great platform for pronunciation, as well as, I believe, the game-based teachings Fun with the Fridge. It helps students identify letters and numbers in their pronunciation. There's also another game platform that students can talk and share information about themselves in basic English, and Mind Mapping, which is a great creative activity for English language learners. Myself, Google Web 2.0 tools, they have a whole platform that creates slides, really good for group projects, and they do group chatting and videos, Google Classroom as well. Boomwriter, which is a gamification platform for writing. No Red Ink, which is a Web 2.0 tool that builds strong writers. Group Essays, it's on Edpedia. And then we have a blog of resources that mentions platforms like Subtext and StoryPals. That concludes this wrap up. The next meeting will be on March 17th at 7 a.m. Thank you.